and a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bankrolls, cause I got bankrolls and I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash.
Dang, your brake.
Yes. Yeah, that's the problem. No, I did not.
Ah. It's a little greasy. And your pads are closed.
I did not do shit.
GG. Oh my god. Oh. Ow. Been a minute. I don't know what that was. Oh. What do you mean? Never tried it. Alright, let's see what he got. Whoa. Oh, you got it. Oh. 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 Okay. Touch. Oh. Is my seat crooked? My seat is crooked. Hold up. Up. This strip is so smooth. Where am I going? I'm going over here. I've never been over here in my life. We're just cruising. Come on, now. Oh! Let's get it, first time. First time trying. Let's see. Oh. Oh, you got pretty close. Not gonna lie. Pretty close. Oh. Oh! Almost. I need Bev. I got Bev. what happened. I'm exploring this place. Let's see what's back here. I don't even know where I'm at. I'm in the middle of Jersey. Oh, there's bike paths. I'm gonna go through here. I got lost, but I'm back. Figured it out. Where I'm at. They're all back. Hey. Oh. No. Dang it. Ooh. Mailman. Bag. Whoa. Okay. What else? Let's go. Come on. Ah, damn. We good? People who support us? Yeah. People who support us? What's going on right now? Yeah. sport right now. What else? We got Team Bernie's.
What else? Okay, wow. Okay. Hey. What else? What else?
First impressions on the C2. Oh man. Oh man, why is it so shaky? Oh, my hand. Oh.
Selective rider?
Trying out the C2. And he's off. My hand is over the mic. Oops. Oh. 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 Shaky hands. Shaky hands. What's this? Oh, that's a dead Duro.
I like that.
Oh, this kid's got his wheel down. What's he got? Whoa.
No, what?
Yeah.
That shit's
Oh.
so